Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Today, I got my new tip in the mail. This one here's got a little crack in it. That's not supposed to be do that. You see on camera or not. So let's switch her out. Can we use that handle or not? I got all this on that Rainforest side. I think it was 10 or 12 bucks for everything. 2 days shipping if you got Prime. That's insulators, tips. I like that handle better than not. So it's bigger than the hand. I can turn the little light on. Can't see nothing. A little bit better. That noise in the background is not me. The wind's still blowing. Hear the cat in the background outside. Which one did you go with? I don't know. Take it apart. That's on that side. Side's got screws. Take it apart so she looks like. You know what? I got the faster way. Here's a little bit of noise. Design a little bit different. This one, black one, however, had this little cup around it, hold it in. So it works in this gun. Now I'm going to do a flow off camera here a little bit. Well, I got these apart and looking at them. This one's round totally. This has got a little groove at each side. So I get to use a new one. Could cut a little groove on each side, but let's try the new tip, see what it's like. And of course, when I do something I don't want to do, cut these off. Just come this way. Leave some lead on here in case the handle's still good. Put it back on later. Doing this plasma cutter here because I'm gonna lose it. It just stopped working one day. So it turns on, does everything like it's supposed to, so it don't want to work. I must have stepped on it or something. Slapped it down the wrong way one. Everything out of the way. Trying to see if I'm doing anything on camera or not. These two a bit too long, cut them down. Stop it. This is cheap, probably pop out. Pull out of solder. I got these little smash connectors in here to put on. Get that off a little bit, come through too far. Not just like me, when I first do this stuff, I just put a bunch of black tape on there. It works, but you got a big old knot to deal with. Road's getting busy. About to get ready for Thanksgiving, I guess. How many videos gonna put on today? But happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Today's Wednesday. I think probably around 5 or 6. Now, knowing me, I did something wrong. That's probably gonna be way too thick. That's right. This has this little thing. Well, that's great. Because this thing has that design on there to keep it on. I didn't think about that when I was working. Go in the hole. At least the wiring stuff fits in there. Well, that's one downfall, I guess, of this. Big old gap in there. Well, hopefully it won't hurt nothing. But this up. Put some black tape around the bottom here. Quit popping out. We'll put this back together real quick. Working on the last screw. I have a feeling it's going to be a pain. Knowing me, I'd probably take this back off, put a groove in it, put it back in the old handle. Well, stay tuned for another video if this thing fixed. Love y'all. Lord loves you.